much as possible.
Unong Aiktian ke National People's Party uba HM Shangpliang ula penbenar bayu Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jela uba Prestone Tynsong la Pyllait no Apollo Hospital ke bedon hanong ba Delhi. Menta udang don Megalia House bat la tu baya menta ulong ubobiang haga kot ke khia. Ningkong uba Tynsong ula sha Sumar ha ICU ha Nazareth Hospital haga kendai terik unai lur shwa ban penkenria sha New Delhi haga katway terik bat la khmi lenti bo wan paino sha Shillong ha kini gi kendiat sengi banwan.
Who have prayed and conveyed the best wishes for the speedy recovery of their beloved MLA, Sir Prestone Tynsong. Sir Prestone Tynsong, our Deputy Chief Minister, has been released from the Apollo Hospital and he is resting for a few days in the Megalia House in Delhi. I could speak to Sir Prestone Tynsong today afternoon. He conveyed his best wishes to each and every citizen of the state of Meghalaya. He further informed that he is hale and hearty. He is likely to reach Shillong in the next few days.
Ki samla pulian na ki college beper-per ki biasa